Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Basecamp with Okta SSO easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate Basecamp with Okta SSO, start by logging into your Okta account. Navigate to the Okta admin dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the Applications section. Click on Add Application. Use the search bar to find Basecamp. Select Basecamp from the list of applications. Next, click on Add. You'll be taken to the application configuration page. In the General Settings, enter your Basecamp URL. Make sure to fill in all required fields. Now, scroll down to the SSO Credentials section. Here, you will find the settings needed for the SSO integration. Open your Basecamp account in a new tab. Go to the admin panel of your Basecamp account. Look for the sign-in options or single sign-on settings. Copy the necessary values from Okta. Paste these values into the corresponding fields in Basecamp. Return to the Okta application settings. Ensure you configure the app username format. Select whether to use email or username for user identification. Save your settings in Okta. Head back to Basecamp to finalize the configuration. Perform a test login from your Basecamp URL using Okta SSO. Enter your Okta credentials when prompted. Confirm that you can access Basecamp successfully. If you encounter any issues, revisit the settings to ensure accuracy. Once everything is verified, your setup is complete. You are now ready to use Basecamp with Okta SSO authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.